In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite users to a Retool Workspace. We'll walk through exactly where to click in the Retool dashboard and how to send clean, reliable email invitations so your teammates can join quickly. Start on your Retool dashboard. In the top right corner, click your profile icon, the small avatar or initial. From the menu that opens, choose Settings. This takes you to your Workspace settings area. On the left sidebar, look for User Management and click Users. This page is the hub for managing people in your workspace. You'll see who currently has access, and depending on your account, you may also notice any pending invitations. On the Users page, click the Invite button. A prompt will appear asking for email addresses. Type the email address of the person you want to invite, or add multiple addresses if you're bringing in a group. Take a moment to double-check spelling and domain names before sending. Getting this right prevents bounced emails and delays. It's also helpful to confirm that the recipients know to expect an invitation from Retool, so the email doesn't get overlooked. When everything looks good, hit Send Invite. Retool immediately sends each recipient an email with a unique invite link. All they need to do is open that message and follow the link to join your workspace. You don't need to share anything else. Retool handles the secure link and routing behind the scenes. Each invite link expires in about 7 days. If someone doesn't accept in time, repeat the exact same process to send a fresh invitation. If a teammate can't find the message, have them check their spam or promotions folder and make sure their email service is not blocking automated messages. Keeping the users page open while people are joining can be handy. You'll be able to see when someone appears as active instead of pending. If you're not seeing the invite button, you may need additional permissions, since only certain roles are allowed to invite users. In that case, reach out to whoever manages your Retool workspace to adjust your access. That's it. From dashboard to settings, to users, to invite, and finally send invite. These quick steps are all you need to bring new teammates into your Retool workspace. Before you wrap up, consider inviting people right before a kickoff or training session so their links are fresh, and let them know which workspace they're joining if your organization uses more than one. A little communication up front helps everyone get in smoothly and start building with Retool without hiccups.